Hi guys! So we're on our way to go ice skating. We have the runners. And Nicole is driving us in her semi kind of new car.
Pretty new cars!
Yeah. Yo. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, so we will talk to you when we're at ice rink.
Motion sickness.
Hey guys. Thank you. We're going to go ice skate first. With Trisha, we got our shoes. It's been a long time, guys. I need to try. Oh my gosh. You want to hold hands? This is so scary. It's been years since I went ice skating. Yeah! Trisha! She's leaving me behind. Oh, trying. I just glide. Oh yeah. I know, I caught that. Yeah. How does it feel?
Feels exciting.
Yep, all the kids are judging us. All the
Dude, I don't like, you know when I lift up my legs, you just come like push, like I'm like just dragging.
You glide?
Yeah, glide. Going back. Oh, I see the Cambodia flag over there. Cambodia. We're not Korean.
No autofocus.
Oh my god. You know, I still don't even know how to stop, so I just like run into the wall.
Is this your first time?
This is my first time roller skating.
Oh my, no, it's ice skating.
And roller skating. I watched the ice hockey fight.
You got cut like thing that like what? Two more times.
If you just think you can skate hella good, it'll work.
Do you want to get to the wall?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to
Alan, careful.
Go ahead. I'm fine.
The struggle is real.
Get to the edge. I don't want to cause a collision.
I don't know how to stop actually, I just know how to slow down.
A pot of dolphins.
You guys are wearing like the similar color, it's cool.
So I stayed at Hornets.
Coordinates that.
Hornets.
Hornies.
Hi! You want a vlog?
How many views do your vlogs get?
Well, sometimes up to 100 or the highest one right now is 18,000.
18,000?
Yeah.
Why?
18,000?
Because it's like this
18,000.
weird title. Us getting nails done.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Having so much fun. We have to go trade out with Tina because she's watching her back. Her back is like literally heavy. I just look like an idiot doing myself. What? Yeah, just swerving on it. Swerving on it. Ah!
Moving.
Thing where like you hold the person's hand, it makes it look like
We're lesbian?
no, first person. Never mind. Hold on.
What? First person?
And we're gonna be someday. Sorry.
Why you gotta be so mean?
Like this, right?
Twerk! You were just twerking.
I'm not doing the girl part.
Do it.
I'll hit the dolphin one time, alright?
Okay.
Let me teach you, this is an advanced move. You need to have a flexible spinal cord, okay? Don't try this, you might break a vertebrae. Basically, you want to kick your head,
Oh my
and then
god.
your upper back, and then your mid back, and then your butt, okay?
Okay.
Slowly though. approach it, right? Like this. Oh shit, I got ice skates on, so you're gonna approach it like this. You're gonna go right, left,
No!
pop it at the end. You feel me?
That's like that's from your fancying video.
Yeah.
Do it, dance. Dance to it. I'm so fancy.
Yeah, Android 18.
There's one.
Alright, go ahead, your turn.
I know, service is
Hit it.
No, I don't want to twerk. No, that's not what I do.
Alan got buku booty. He just walking, it's twerking for him. You ever look closely, it jiggles. Forget that.
I'm gonna go check out this. Skate a little bit.
Okay, goodbye. I'm all by myself again.
1,000 laps. Go. You have until 325.
Oh, someone fell. Ouch. What are they doing? Oh, Nicole's coming. Put your hands in the air, Nicole. So what you got?
Oh, this is a Trident. Trident layers. I can pay the Trident layers.
This is so cold. This is so cold. This is so cold.
Dude, just use your arm. I was scared. Do like this. I was like, that's it. Don't feel goofy.
Walk like a girl.
All day.
Oh my god. Yeah. I did Tina's hair today, guys. I did her hair. It's beautiful.
Nice. Let's skate with Nicole.
Skate with Nicole.
First person.
He listens to all that calm, he looks forward to dusting. What was once his dustbuster is now a
Anywhere.
Gotta be so rude.
Why you gotta? I know why you gotta be so mean.
Only had a GoPro. Just tape it to your forehead.
No, it's like this.
Look to
Right?
your forehead.
Just tape it. Dude. I know. Hey. I want you. Okay. You can stop. I want you.
Hi guys, so we're picking up pizza. Pizza at Costco. Oh, Nicole needs his tires too. Yeah, we got pepperoni and combination. Vlogging. 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 Yeah, so we're just gonna go pick it up. I think I'll talk to you at his house. So we have delicious pizza combo and pepperoni, and we're gonna try the new.
Actually, for me, either this one or this one.
I think all of them suck.
Well, you have to pick one.
I think all of them are great.
I think all of them.
Yeah.
You should stow all of them away.
I think the black man and their base is good.
I like the free samples one.
Alan?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you get? I won,
These
so.
suck.
No, who were the
Even mine
what was
sucked.
the eugenics one?
Who did that?
Yeah, who did that?
Laugh at me. I had no good cards.
Oh, me?
I thought you could change it.
Do you have any additional cards?
I liked my other cards.
I wish. How am I maintaining my relationship status?
Waiting till marriage.
You guys know I would laugh at it.
I hope mine.
Okay, how am I maintaining my relationship status? Doing it in the butt.
Ew.
Rehab. Boyfriend solidity. Sweet vengeance. Passing a kidney stone. German Dutchess. I don't like any of them.
Of course.
The one that made me laugh.
You'll just never think
Which
anything
one?
funny.
That one.
Which
Full frontal nudity.
doing
that?
it, but
It's too direct. You have to like make it very subtle.
Show you. Public. Ridicule.
Ridicule.
no one's laughing at my card, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. But before I kill you, Mr. Bond, I'm gonna show you man meat. That's kind of weird. I'm gonna show you vigorous jazz hands. But before I kill you, Mr. Bond, I'm gonna show you the Big Bang. I'm gonna show you sunshine and rainbows.
Hey, none of these are dirty.
I'm gonna show you my vagina.
My vagina.
Wow.
That's too direct.
Man, pick the lamest one.
Yeah, pick the lamest man meat. Pick the one that.
Public ridicule.
Before I want
no
to kill
one-
somebody, I would want them to see my.
Man meat.
Before you put a bullet through my brain. Just look. Just real quick.
Yeah, I think I gotta go with man meat.
One was good.
You think that's funny?
Jazzy can't knock
You
that
think
one
man
off.
meat is a game?
I thought that was funny.
So, Alan left, and I honestly have no idea what we're doing right now. Some people are eating watermelon, and they were dancing to like Korean music videos. But I don't know what I'm doing. I was calmly drinking my
Casey, stop making that. Do that.
Well, I can't have a baby smoke.
Should we start making preparations? Or is it too early? I think it's still too early.
You're not sure the recipe.
Ooh, clay pot. Where's the pot?
Watermelon.
I don't like this move.
This is hella lateral movements.
I don't like it. I got cramp. Oh no, thank you. We have this little Chinese. Oh, teach me how to dunk. I'll do it. Let's do this, Nicar.
Dougie.
Yeah, essential. Oh no. What the? Why did I like Cali Swag District?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Who does he remind you of?
Oh my gosh! He reminds me of the Thai guy. You guys are
Why is this so slow?
Thai guy from
Bam Bam?
yeah.
Got 7?
No, he doesn't. This guy's cute. This is hard.
Why is it so slow?
Yeah, this is hella slow.
Can we do whip my hair? A little bit.
Oh yeah, with my hair.
Whip my hair and dance like so.